you want? What do you want? You want to eat? You want to eat? You, come here. Bo Dandy, you, come here. You want to eat? You want to get in there? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You want some dog food? You want to eat? What do you want? What? What is it? Tell me what you want. What is it? What do you want? You want to get it? You want to eat? What? What do you want? Get it. Get it. Get it. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Get it? Something else in there you want? What is it? What is it? Don't you want that? Kibbles? Kibbles? You want kibble? What do you want? Get it? What is it? What do you want? You want something in there? Going shopping in the cupboard? What do you want? A bone? You want a dog bone? Is that what you want? Some dog bones maybe? What do you want? Those are treats. Those are snacks. Is that what you want? One of those? Let's see. Is that what you're looking for? Is that what you want? You want one of them? Help yourself. Help yourself. Go ahead. Get it. Can't you get it? Get it? You can do it. Get it? Can't you get that? I had the bag open for you. How come you couldn't get it? Did you get it? You want to get a treat too? That was funny. Where's that plastic see-through thing that we put the food in? Is it still over there? Mm-hmm. Get it. I want to film it. What was that? You want a bone too? Come here, Libby. You want a bone? They're in the bag. Get them. Get a bone. Go ahead. Go get a bone. Go get it. Aw, you're going to have two? Aw. He's helping himself. He likes them. Here, Libby, you want a bone? Here, Libby, get a bone. Here. Get a bone. Here, have some food. There's some dog food in there. Go ahead. Eat that dog food. Get it.